I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Binance Face Verification, full guide. Open the Binance app and sign in, then go to Profile, choose Identity Verification, and select Face Verification. Position your face centrally, keep steady, and follow the real-time prompts. Ensure even lighting, remove hats or glasses, and avoid backlight. If the system asks, perform slow head movements to complete liveness checks and confirm your submission before exiting. Collect a clear government ID and a selfie-ready device. Use a stable internet connection and disable VPNs. Check that your ID photo matches your face and that all edges are visible for the scan. Wipe your camera lens to avoid blur and set the phone at eye level. Close other apps to prevent interruptions and ensure battery is above 20% before starting the verification process. Allow about 5 minutes to complete everything without rushing. Quick recommendation: if this guide helped, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. On another note, the product seen here is a book I love, Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick it up if you enjoy personal finance reads. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Follow on-screen guidance to align your face within the frame and keep your eyes open. Move slowly when asked, rotate your head or tilt chin as directed, and avoid rapid motions. Speak clearly only if the app requests voice for liveness checks. Maintain consistent lighting and neutral background to speed up processing. If verification fails, retry after cleaning the camera and ensuring your ID image is unobstructed. Contact support if repeats continue to diagnose issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.